This is Lille Hospital Complex and it's lift tour time. This is a whole load of different hospitals connected by underground tunnels, and now into the first hospital and to the Otis Gen 2 lift. And now to a Schindler which has been horribly modernised. And now to one of the staff-only lifts, but these refuse to let me in! And now to the next staff-only lifts. These ones also refused to let me in, but I managed to get in when someone came out.
Sixième étage.
And now let's go down to the spooky basement tunnel network. These tunnels are really fun and they're dark and grotty. Let's go along the spooky tunnel and along to the next hospital. And now to the next lift, which are some old Schindler lifts which have been horribly modernised. And now to the old gated 70s Schindler lift. This lift's really awesome, but sadly the inside buttons have been replaced. And now going back down to the tunnel network, and this tunnel's not quite as spooky as the first one, but it's really long, and along we go to the next hospital, which has a nice eco disc. And now back into the spooky tunnel network. And now to the next lift. And now back into the spooky tunnel network and along to the next hospital. This one has loads of lifts, and first to this set of Schindler lifts. And now to some more Schindler lifts. And now to another design of Schindler lift. And now to the little Otis Gen 2 lift outside of the hospital. It's quite surprising they spent all the money for an Otis Gen 2 when it goes such a short way. And now into the university part of the hospital and to the lifts there. But the first lift refused to go anywhere. And now to the next lift, which has both a floor 0 and a floor 00, which is a little floor above floor 0. That is really strange. But this lift also refused to go anywhere. And now, going out of the hospital complex and going onto a completely different lift in Lille. This lift's got nothing to do with the hospital whatsoever. But I didn't manage to film it properly and didn't really seem worthy of a video of its own right, so I'm putting it on the end of this video. Kind of random. This lift is a really old 1920s lift in Lille. This is such a good lift, but it's been horribly modernised. But the reason I wasn't able to film this is I got caught riding in it almost straight away, and it ruined my video.